having a scan, and Ice has got a bit of a bug, so they went to Suva this morning. Semi's en route at the moment, flying back from France. He played for Toulouse at the weekend, so he'll come in on Monday. And there's 3 boys, obviously, that are with the Flying Fijians at the moment: Leonie, Sammy, and Weiss, and they'll come in on Monday. And then it'll just be Josh, because Josh is playing this weekend for Toulon. So if they win, then he'll stay on, obviously, another week to play in the final. And if he loses, then he'll come back, and I'll certainly give him a week off at least. You know, he's played a lot of rugby, and then he'll come into camp. So we probably won't see him for 2 or 3 weeks, I think. But the rest of the boys, they'll be in on Monday.
So following that 2 weeks break, now that you're having the second day of training, how do you see the form?
Yeah, it's okay. You know, it's a slow start because you know they're all carrying a few pounds, most of them. So we're just going to slim them down and get them fit. You know, the timelines for these guys, well, there's 3 really. There's 4 weeks time. 4 weeks on Saturday, we name our squad. 8 weeks today is our first game. And I said to the boys, at any point they might get a tap on their shoulder and say, you know, your journey's finished. You know, so they know that I'm not just going to make those decisions then. I could be making them today, tomorrow, tonight. I could have a conversation with any of the players that I don't think they're quite going to make the grade. I'll tell them, and then we'll move them out of camp. So I want to keep the pressure on them, and we've changed a lot of things. You know, I've changed their diets, taken away all the carbohydrates and the breads and pastas and cassava and dalo and rice, and got into some lean proteins and some stuff that's going to keep them healthy. So plenty of work to do. Certainly, you know, we would not be in the right shape if we had to play a tournament this weekend, that's for sure.